Another Gucci bag. Ayan, ang ganda ng kanyang hardware. Gucci na Gucci. In gold hardware. Ayan, and this is combination ng canvas and leather again. Harap, malinis pa yung canvas nito. On the side, likod, and then the other side. Even the corners, malinis. Maganda pa. Ayan. Other corner, last corner, and yung ilalim, malinis na malinis siya. And ang ganda ng hardware. Yan, focus natin. GG. And the strap also, it's adjustable. Still very beautiful. Then, yung loob niya. Meron siyang button. Yan. Daming mailagay dito. Okay, so paunahan na lang. Selling low again for when worn. Another hobo bag. G na G pa rin. Kitang-kita ang kanyang Gucci logo. And it's also very big. Ang daming pwedeng ilagay. For only 22,000. Ang ganda pa ng canvas nito. And it's very clean in and out. Ayan.